Good morning, Center 2. Now we're going to do mental subtraction. And I'm going to show you one way on how you can do it. If you have your own way that you can work it out in your mind, then that's completely fine. But this is one of the easiest way that it can be done. So if you know how to count backwards, you will do great with mental subtraction. For example, let's count backwards from 5 to 1. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So counting backwards is also something that's a skill, and it's beneficial, helps you when you're doing your mental subtraction. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to do this. We have 84 take away 37. We're going to break down that 37 into tens and ones. So that becomes 30 and 7. So we're first going to take the 30, the bigger number, and subtract it from the 84. So if I'm looking at this, I could just say 4 take away 0 is 4, and 8 take away 3 would give me 5. So I know my answer here is 54. I'm going to write 54 because I just want you to see it, even though you can keep the number 54 in your mind without writing it. So now I have 54. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be counting backwards to get the answer because I still need to take away the 7. So I'm going to call myself 54 and use my fingers to count backwards until I have 7 fingers up. So let's begin. 54, I call myself 54. Start using my fingers. 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47. So I have 7 fingers up. So my answer is 47. Very good. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this example over here. We're going to break this down into tens and ones. So this becomes 10 and 8. Right? Now I'm going to subtract my 10 from my 90, and just looking at that, I already know this is 80. I'm going to say 0 take away 0 is 0, 9 take away 1 is 8. I know my answer is 80. I won't write it down because I want us to try to keep that in your mind, right? So I know my answer is 80. Now I have to say 80 take away 8. And we're going to go ahead and say 80 take away 8. So we're going to call ourselves 80, and then we're going to count backwards until we have 8 fingers up. So let's begin. We are 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72. You should have 8 fingers up. So your answer is 72. Right? Wasn't that easy? And if it wasn't, then once we practice it, we're going to get a lot better at it, right? So let's go ahead and look at this one. The way this one is set up is the way it's set up in your workout book, your 3A practice workout book. This is how they have it set up, right? But it's the same thing. This is saying 42 take away 30. What's the result? So again, we can just break this down. We don't really need to, because it's already there. But we're going to go ahead and say 30 and 0. When there is a 0 at the end, it makes it so much easier to do, because you're just going to say 2 take away 0 is 2, and 4 take away 3 is 1. So my answer would be 10. I could just look at that. 2 take away 0 is 2. 4 take away 3 is 1. So my answer for that one is 10. So we're going to be practicing this today. Go ahead and complete page 132, 132 from your Math 3A practice book. And then when you're finished, you send me a picture of this and I will be checking it. Bye.